Welcome to this session on Software Development Lifecycles, or SDLCs, a foundational concept every tester must understand. SDLC defines how software projects are planned, developed, and delivered. Let's look at three key models: Waterfall, Agile, and DevOps. We begin with the Waterfall model, the traditional approach. It's linear and sequential. You start with requirements, then design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance, all in that exact order. It's structured and predictable, but it lacks flexibility. If something goes wrong or changes mid-project, adapting is difficult. Still, it works well for projects with clearly defined requirements and minimal changes. Now, enter Agile. Agile is flexible, iterative, and collaborative. Work happens in short cycles called sprints, usually 2 to 4 weeks. Teams continuously plan, build, test, and review. Agile embraces change, customer feedback, and team collaboration. It's ideal for dynamic projects where requirements evolve or when rapid delivery is key. Frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and XP fall under Agile. Then we have DevOps, a powerful combination of development and operations. DevOps focuses on automation, integration, and continuous delivery. It emphasizes breaking down silos between developers, testers, and IT operations. The result: faster releases, higher quality, and better alignment between teams. Tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes are central to DevOps. Each model has its strengths. Waterfall suits stable, well-scoped projects. Agile thrives in uncertainty and speed. DevOps drives innovation through automation and collaboration. As a software tester, you may work in any of these environments, and your approach must adapt accordingly. Understanding SDLC models helps you align your testing strategy with the project's needs. In Waterfall, testing happens late. In Agile, it's continuous. In DevOps, automation is key. The more you understand these models, the more effective and efficient your testing will be. In the next session, we'll explore the different levels of testing and where they fit in the development lifecycle. Let's keep building your testing expertise.